So, how much does a Disney vacation cost these days? According to US News and World Report, it's more expensive than ever to visit Walt Disney World. And that's no surprise. Flights, accommodations, park tickets, meals, it all adds up crazy fast. US News and World Report says a Disney trip averages between $4,600 on the low end and $10,000 on the high end for a family of four. And I've done my own calculations on what a family of four would spend for a 5-night stay with 4 days in the parks if they were employing all the discounts that they could think of. And I came up with just more than $6,000. So this is why I have created Meet the Mouse. This is a program that takes our simple approach to travel rewards and focuses it in specifically on Disney. And it shows you how to use travel rewards instead of trying to discount things and just save a little bit, how to use travel rewards instead to pay for your airfare in full, your accommodations, whether you want to stay on property at Disney or off property at Disney, pay for those in full, pay for your park tickets in full, and even how to pay for dining and souvenirs with travel rewards if you want to. It's absolutely possible. And when you invest in the Meet the Mouse program, you're going to end up saving more than $5,000 on the cost of your Disney vacation. That would be for a family of four, again, even employing all the discounts that you could think of. So if you would like to learn more about how to use travel rewards, so Disney, you can do Disney for free. It doesn't need to be that insanely expensive price that it has now gone up to. You can go to familiestravelfree.com/meetthemouse, all one word. And I've linked that below this video as well. Check it out.